Morning gentlemen, I am Pranay Zala, today going to give a lecture on corruption in India. Corruption in India is a consequence of interlinking between bureaucracy, criminals and politics. Corruption has increased progressively and is now rampant in our society. There was a time when we paid bribe just for getting the wrong things done, but now the situation has changed. We are paying the bribe just for getting the right things done at the right time. According to 2021 data, in corruption, India stood at 85th rank out of 180 countries. While India is at the urge of becoming superpower, the progress of India, our country, is getting detoured because of corruption. Talking about the big scandals in corruption, it includes corruption in Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act, second generation spectrum scam, 2010 Commonwealth Games scam, others housing society scam, coal mining scam, etc. All these scandals have drained millions of amount of money of honest taxpayers and of Indian economy. Indian trucking industry also has to pay millions of money as a bribe to numerous regulatory and police stops. Talking about the ways how we can stop the corruption. One important way of stopping the corruption is increasing the salaries of the workers. Yes, since we have seen that the salaries of government employees are pretty low and they could not meet their expenses, so they do take bribe, and if we increase their salaries, then consequently their motivation to take the bribe will definitely increase. Increasing the number of workers is also a way of curbing the corruption. Since we have seen that in government offices the workload is very high, and this gives an opportunity to the employees for not doing the work, and consequently they will ask for bribe in order to get the work done. And also making tough laws is also very important, as if we will make tough laws, strict punishment will be given to the guilty individuals, and furthermore the efficient and quick implementation of the strict laws is required. Another way of minimizing the corruption is applying the cameras in workplaces, and since the employees will have a fear of getting caught, they will minimize their bribe, or they will minimize their corruption as well. And government should also focus on inflation, and we have seen that during the inflation time the workers consider their salaries to be less, and the corruption in the masses has increased. To sum it up, I would like to say that corruption is an evil for the society, but with consistent social and political efforts, we will get rid of corruption one day for sure. Thank you.